Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Today we're going to show you how do I know if my opener's got a blown gear. I'm going to take the cover off, unplug it first. Always unplug it first for safety. Unplug it. And you see all that white powder right there? That's how you know you got a blown gear. Just destroyed, and then you can look at the gear, flat as a pancake. And then when you take the cover off too, you'll see there's the gear. So then, and come over here, go into the world famous truck, service truck. This might be a minute. I know I got one. I just gotta find it. Hold on. This one? No. No. Well, I'll just show you this one just for now, just to show you. This is for a belt drive, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Or no, this is not a belt drive. This is for a dual sprocket chain drive. You can see, it's hard to see maybe, but you got the small sprocket on top and the bigger one. But your gear, you can see it's all nice. The teeth are all big and fat and juicy, and usually it'll come with a tube of grease. Make sure you use the whole tube. I think I've made a video like this, like super long ago. So we'll do a new one. What? I might get caught my pants down on this job. Wait, what do we got here? Maybe. Hold on. Alright, this one here is definitely reconditioned. You can see I greased the inside there and there. Let's see the sloppage. Not bad. A lot of people don't understand too that a lot of these gears, the brand new ones, some of the older ones, if you look at the, let's see if I can do this with one hand. If you look at the play, I don't know if I could do this, it's hard. The play back and forth, it's hard to do with one, I can't do it. Alright, the play back and forth like this is just about the same as a new one as an old one, believe it or not. You can, if you don't believe me, go buy a brand new one. I can tell you this too, the newer ones they're selling, they're definitely cheaper. They're made cheaper. I think the gears are different. The shaft part is different, and I know this for a fact because me and one of my relatives that does this in a few towns up north from me, he's inspected these, and when you take it all apart to rebuild these, the part in there is actually skinnier over the years. We've watched it. As time progressed, it got skinnier and skinnier and skinnier. Why? So that it would break sooner and sooner and sooner, because the company that makes these ain't making no money off the opener. They're making money on the parts. And the other thing is, now that there's other companies out there, they've lost their patents on this stuff. So now there's other companies that, I'm just pushing the grease way in there. But there's other companies out there now that are making replica Chamberlain gears. And I will also get the oil can out, and I will oil this too on the inside. I'll pack this full of grease, and voila. I'll go back in here, put that in, and I will still give my textbook 6-month warranty on parts, on labor, 1 year on parts. That's how confident I am. I've been doing this for 35 years, 0 callbacks. And here's the other deal. Within the 6 months, if something happens with the opener again, even if it's not the gear, I will credit you half of the cost of the gear, which is usually at least $100 and something towards a new unit. So it's a win-win for the homeowner. You get your opener fixed, you get to save money now, and then 6 months down the road, if something, even if anything else happens, the limit switch goes, the RPM sensor, the motor capacitor, this tiny resistor, which never has gone bad. I've never seen one go bad in 35 years. And even if the motor goes bad, any of those parts go bad, I'll credit you the $100 towards a whatever it is, half the price. I don't even know what we're charging for gears, and I haven't done one in so long. But that's how you know if the gear is blown. I'll put this thing back in order, and this thing will run like a dream. And like I said, if the homeowner's got any problems, guess what? In the next 6 months, they're covered. They can rest assured, because I will credit them. Oh, look at, they still got my sign from where I put the doors in 8 years ago. That's awesome. I'm gonna take it back. That's hysterical. So, you know, we've done good work here. We're here 8 years ago. Look at that. That's hysterical. Oh my goodness. I'm taking that sign with me. I'm gonna ask them first, obviously, but they're gonna say yes. What are you gonna do with that thing? Anyways, we're gonna close the video with that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all my subscribers. You guys are awesome. Without you, it don't happen. Thank you for watching this. How do I know if my gear's blown on my Chamberlain, TrueGuard, Link, LiftMaster, Rainer? Who else makes these? Access Master, Master Mechanic. I've got videos on them all. They're all the same opener, just different branding. That's all it is. If you got questions, concerns, call that number right there. We're in Downers Grove. We'll ship parts to you, whatever you want. We'll take care of you. That's it. Thanks for watching our How Do I Know If My Gear's Blown video. And as always, always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching, everyone.